Fibre. It's how we internet now. And it's super simple to get installed. Here's some top tips to help your installation run smoothly. Once you've told your broadband provider that you've decided to get better internet with fibre, that's when we get involved, because it's our job to hook it up. We always aim to complete fibre installations in one day, but if your job is more complex than usual, it may require a separate install appointment following an initial scope visit. Either way, we know you'll want to make the most of your new, fast and reliable connection sooner rather than later. So here's how you can help get ready. Now, if you live in a rental, you'll need your landlord's written or verbal permission before you can get fibre installed. And in some cases, if you share a right-of-way or a shared space with others, or you live in a place with multiple dwellings like an apartment building, Chorus will also notify them of the work being done and ensure they're okay with it before we start the installation. If you know your neighbours are keen for fibre too, it may even be worth letting them know to expect something in the mail. That way you can speed up the process for both you and them. Yep, that'll get the fibre rolling. Then it's about installing. Good thing is, that's coming up.